Hi, and welcome to another GOSUB tutorial. Splitting and merging subtitles can be a good way to make subtitles more readable and improve timing. Let's go. To separate or split two subtitles, we first place our cursor at the part of the sentence where we want the split to occur, the line break. We will then select the time code where we want our subtitle to be split by clicking on the timeline. The time code that you select should appear as a red line. We can then split the subtitle either by selecting Split Subtitle in the toolbar or by using our hotkey. There should now be two separate subtitles as shown in this example. If you would like to join or merge subtitles, you can select the first subtitle you would like to merge by highlighting the desired text or by just clicking inside the subtitle. You can either merge down or up. If you select Merge Down, you are joining the current subtitle with the one below it. And if you are merging up, you are joining the current subtitle and the one above it. As an example, we will click on Merge Down, and now we have our subtitles merged.